Hi, this is Ellen, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a survey using Google Forms. Okay, so once you log in and you're in your Google Docs main page, you're going to click on Create, and then you're going to go down until you click on Form. Then you're going to be taken to the editing page for your form. So the first thing you want to do is give your form a title. So I'm just going to title this title, and then right underneath that, that's where you'll put the description of your form. So here's the description of your form. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to create your question types. So by default, you're given two sample questions, and they're both text questions. So I usually use these questions for first name, last name. But if I wanted to change the type of questions, let me just type in first name here. Okay, so now I have first name as my first question type. If I wanted to change that, and I would just click this little drop down menu here, and I could change it to any of these different types of questions right down here. So I don't know if anyone has a name long enough for a paragraph, so I'm going to keep it as text. So now if I wanted to edit that second sample question, notice when I take my cursor and I run it over that question, these little edit icons pop up. So I click on the pencil, and that'll allow me to edit this next question. So I could say here, last name. Okay, so if I click the pencil again, I now have my two questions. So now I have to figure out how to add my next question. So there's two ways that you can do that. You can actually go up to the upper left and click on Add Item. So maybe I'll choose paragraph text here, and I'll just say, write me a paragraph. You don't really have to if you don't want to. And then the other way is these little editing icons here. So obviously this one would be trash, so if I didn't want it, I could delete it there. But these two squares, that's duplicate. So I could just click on there, and then notice that my write me a paragraph question is up here, and then I have the exact same question down here. So now I could change the type, and then I could just edit this information and add my options. Okay, so now I've completed editing my form, and I want to make my form pretty. So if you go into the upper left up here, you'll notice that there's a button named Theme. So if I click on Theme, it's actually going to take me to all these nifty little themes that I can choose for my form. So I like this Bluebirds theme, so if I click on it, it's going to give me just what it might look like if I choose this theme. So I can either cancel if I don't like it, or I can choose apply if I do like it. Okay, so now if I click on this button down here, I can go and see what it looks like, and voila, I have this beautiful form to share.